They just got home. I'm gonna go grab them real quick and show them the truck.
Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a great day. So instead of working on the beast today, we're gonna do something a little different. So a couple weeks ago, my girlfriend's uncle's clutch went out on his old Ranger. He's a huge Ranger guy, and he loves having a manual clutch. So he requested that we find him another Ranger that's manual, 4-wheel drive, AC, and has a clean title. After about 3 weeks worth of searching, I came up with this one. It's 2001, so it's 1 year newer. This is a 2000. This is 2001, 4-wheel drive, AC, everything he wanted, checked all of his boxes. They're on a trip right now at a wedding, and I ordered him these new Bushwhacker bed cap covers, and I think they look pretty sweet. I'll be pretty excited about those when he gets home. He's been wanting them ever since he bought the truck, because the old truck here is a step side, which he really wanted, but they're really hard to find, especially with low mileage. That was another thing, is you wanted a truck with really low miles, which is hard to find, especially in these Rangers, because everyone that has them uses those work trucks and they drive the piss out of them. So that was a really hard task to do, but we came up with one. But yeah, this one had the covers on it, and he wanted bed cap covers on this truck, so went ahead and ordered him some and put them on. And what I'm gonna do today is, there used to be a stripe on this side, like on this side here, this old factory stripe. I'm gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna wax and polish the whole truck for him, so that way when he gets back, kind of have a nice surprise for him. You just really clean the truck up for him before he gets back. So we're just gonna take off the factory pinstripes. As you can see, I've already got off the tailgate, and this whole side's done completely. I just got to go through on the front door here and take off all the adhesive along with the back door and the bed. The front fender's already done. It'll look a lot better once I wax and polish it, smooth it all out. That way you can't really see it, because what'll happen is if you have these stripes on here for a long time, or like these badges, it'll do sun damage where the paint was around it. So when you take this off, the paint color is the original lighter color than it is after the sun hits it for years. And then they require you to do some wet sanding and then wax and polish it. But hopefully I won't have to do any wet sanding on this, because it doesn't look too bad as it is right now. I'll just take some goof off, rub it on there really good, and then take this plastic body scraper and just scrape it off. Truck, and then we'll go into the next step about getting the adhesive off. So this part of the roof right here, yesterday I went ahead and washed it, waxed it, and polished it, and did a swirl removal on it. And as you can see, the water beads off really nicely compared to over here, where the water kind of just sits and then falls off the roof. how much less work it is cleaning one of these trucks. They don't take me about 15 minutes. It usually takes me about an hour and a half to wash my truck, so that's one benefit of a small truck. So now I'm going to go ahead and take off the rest of this adhesive here. As you can see, these two stripes all the way down the bedside and the cab and the front fender, using some of this Goof Off Pro Strength. It's for adhesive and glue and some other stuff, but this stuff worked good on the other side, so I'm going to continue to use it on this side, and then after that we'll get into waxing the truck. Now I'm going to take a detailing spray and spray some on my cloth and just wipe down the whole area that I just removed all the adhesive from, to wipe up any excess adhesive or anything that would be on the paint before I go ahead and wax the truck. I got this 6-inch electric polisher from Harbor Freight, and I picked up the 6-inch waxing pad. So I'm using McGuire's wax. So first I'm going to take some of my detailing spray and spray it on the pad to help soften it up. And then take my wax. Make sure I'm on setting 1. I'm just going to dab my wax on the truck here. I want to start on level 1 and spread all the wax out, and then get up to level 5 or 6 and really work that wax in. Now I'm going to take a clean microfiber towel and wipe off all the excess wax. And now I'm going to go ahead and do it to the rest of the truck. Now I'm going to try this product called Wipe New for the fender flares here, see if we can get those looking new again. The directions say to shake this bottle for 10 seconds and then put it on a cloth and wipe it on. all done with the truck. I only had time to do a wax today, unfortunately, because we're going to be home soon. I want to get this whole thing done before it gets home as a surprise. As far as the wipe new goes, not a bad product. Definitely looks a lot better when you first apply it than as it's dry right now, but it's not bad. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the truck back in the shop and set up the camera, so when he gets home, we'll see what he thinks of it.
Alright guys, so they just got home. I'm gonna go grab them real quick and show them the truck.
Watch my truck. Looks good. Oh, and you put the things on?
Washed it, waxed it.
Oh
yeah.
My God. Holy fuck. Did you have to drill any holes or?
No, they just go right on. Got this too, and then I got the one for the back.
Oh. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
I love it.
Look at this. Remember that stripe that was here?
Yeah.
Gone.
Oh, it does it better.
Because there was a bunch of spots right here with the key where it was missing and missing.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
missing.
right.
So I just took it all the way off, took the adhesive remover, removed it all, and I cleaned the truck, and then I waxed it all.
Oh man.
Then I wiped near the fenders.
I don't want
and
to take
then
it out of here now.
Then I wiped near the bumper in front.
It's gonna be dirty in about an hour at work. Oh, hey, thank you very much.
No problem.
Wow.
I like this one a lot. I thought it was nice.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
Yeah?
Thanks for doing that.
Absolutely.
I didn't know if I'd ever get around to it. You know.
I figured it'd be a nice surprise.
Yeah, it is.
Well, I'd say that went pretty well. He loved the bed covers and he thought the truck looked really clean. He didn't want to take it to work because it looked so clean. That's going to do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it or this video helped you out, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed already, then please consider hitting that subscribe button. Got a lot more truck content to come. I'll see you guys next time.